Well, this is nice to wake up to. Actually, a mix of sleet and snow. You can see it already starting to build up on the roof. This is actually a tease storm for what's to come for Wednesday. At least that's what I'm hearing, unless the forecast has changed. But yeah, we'll see what it looks like in the daytime. Yeah, there you go. This is a quick radar shot. Looks more ominous, but I don't know. We might actually see a little bit of accumulation out of this. Well, it's starting to stick. That's a good sign. As the sun comes up little by little. Well, let's see what it looks like outside in the back. Yeah, it's actually sticking. It's melting on the concrete. Yeah, it's getting a little slippery on the deck. Well, that's a cool pattern. Yeah, the flakes are small, but still a good bit more to come. We might actually get an inch of accumulation out of this, so hard to say. Really cool. And trains are rolling. So yeah, here in the south we freak out when it snows, when there's like a trace or a dusting. We don't get the feet like up north, which I do miss, especially from being from Buffalo. But we'll take what we can get. Oh yeah, and it's actually sticking to the road. Well. To my knowledge, school is still on. Yeah, it's 32 degrees currently, and yeah, we'll probably be seeing snow at least most of the morning before it tapers off. So we'll just continue doing periodic updates. Another one. Well, it's dropped to 31 degrees, but it looks like things are falling apart out there. Snow is dissipated, and I don't know. Might be coming to an end soon. Well, there just hasn't been a whole lot else falling this morning. It looks like things are continuing to open up in our area. A little swath right there, that little tongue that's been opening up. And so I don't know, we may not see much more out of this storm. Well, I beg my pardon. We got some flurries, so that's why it's not being picked up on the radar. Take a little stroll out here. Yeah, it's definitely sticking. Oh, great. Geese there, geese flying over. Don't bomb me. Yeah, this is actually packable snow. Cool. But yeah, it looks like it's going to be short-lived. Based on the radar, things are kind of coming to an end soon. That's good. We at least get a little bit of a coating. So, nice. Alright. Quick view from the road. It's barely an inch. I don't even think it's an inch. Yeah, more like half inch. Yeah, definitely nothing big, but still, definitely changes the scenery. Alright, I'm going back in. It's 31 and I'm cold. Burr, burr, chili burr. Well, it's still snowing Got another burst coming through. Nope. I think that was Bonix. Yep, there's Bonix. What are you doing, Bonix? You playing in the snow? You freaking out, didn't know who it was? What? What is it? Come out from behind the plant. What are you doing? I don't know. You're being a little freak. What? What is it? You enjoying the snow? This is just a tease. The next storm could be bigger. What? What? What is it? Want to go for a walk? No, you just want to hide? What? What is it? Oh yes, and I got the trap set out again. Got another squirrel that's coming around eating her food. Next round is underway. What? Yeah, looks like the burst of snow has increased a little bit, at least on the radar. I have to concur. Yeah. Lovely. We might get close to an inch when it's all said and done. Oh yeah, nice burst. Yeah, everything's melting on the road. 30 degrees. Temperatures drop slowly. But yeah, I think when it's said and done, we're going to be close to an inch. Nice. Rare occasion down here in the Carolinas, getting snow. As I said before, people up north think this is a joke when they're getting feet upon feet. Oh man. And again, I'm out here in my short sleeve shirt, so yeah, I'm cold again. Yeah, there's that burst. Not much left of the storm. It's a little darker blues, that's what we're getting. Yep, Bonix doesn't care. Just eating her food. Everything's white around, you can't even see her, it's like a shadow. Well, neat. Yeah, this is the biggest burst I think we've seen out of this storm. Won't be much longer. It'll be coming to an end. So, yeah, I think we're going to get close to an inch when it's said and done. Yeah, shot from the backyard again, or the back portion. Looking for Bonix, but I think she went back into hiding. Yeah, it looks like the snow is lightening up again, maybe coming to an end. Still, not too bad. Not a bad little dusting at all. Yep, they're probably a good inch. So that's a good tease. And like I said, the bigger storm is coming. Now estimates are pushing 4 to 8 inches for the storm we're supposed to get tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, into Thursday morning. So, yay. Well, that could be real fun. So, oh well. guess we'll probably get ready to wrap this video up here in a bit. Yes, and real quick, I might as well get this inch of snow off my gazebo, especially before the next storm comes. So, yeah, we'll set the old camera up to record that. Something different. Okay. Yeah, a lot easier than ice. We'll get this next one, next section. Alright. Yeah, I'll just probably set it here. I got crap in the way, but yeah, I can't see it. Well, kind of spur of the moment here. Let me well, I can almost get it. Alright, that'll work. It's blowing in my face. Alright. And the last one. Let's see. Something like that there, I guess. Alright, that's done. Nice pile. Oh, cold. Alright. Yeah, it looks like the storm is winding down. It's dropped back to flurries again, so yep, I guess we'll just wrap this video up, and until the next storm that's coming in, we'll see what happens with it.